kind
to
of
just say
yeah, I needed
down,
something
everything
to
down.
Because what the fuck?
Everything relaxed. Honestly, but still, I can't believe the question has not been answered. Let's say they pay me. Who am I going with?
You can't just walk up and like
Gunman.
Yeah, no, absolutely not. No,
you guys hate me. I honestly feel like I wasn't even supposed to come on this trip with y'all. It's like I was
No,
supposed I'm a separate entity.
Yes, it's such a different thing altogether. I'm like,
even my room was booked under a different company.
Yeah.
My flight, I was separate from everyone.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Are we live?
Yeah, I need to see the sun. Like,
what?
A bitch is looking pale.
I think, yeah, it's those windows. You don't get sun.
It's winter, you know.
Fuck my life.
Do you have an outfit for today?
I actually don't. I didn't think about today. And this time I'm being for real. Like, I actually don't have a look. Very, very stressed.
Does it have a theme, the thing you're going to know?
Nah, it's Tiger's Milk, but yeah, I can go there in straight pants.
What's at Tiger's Milk this time?
Yeah.
Again? Man, yo.
So we occupied Tiger's Milk for 3 days.
Oh.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hi guys. Need an alcoholic beverage.
Somebody send Nake.
Somebody send Nake. Send champagne budget allowance.
Actually, yeah.
That's what Eddie calls it, champagne allowance. Was that piercing near your ear painful? No, just like a pinch. Honestly, like I'm drinking this strawberry daiquiri, but obviously I can feel there's no Nake in it because I'm not being votumaz.
Like even the stomach, the heart doesn't feel anything.
Honestly, and there's still 40 minutes until the bar opens.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. I don't have that. I'm sorry. I don't have that.
Yeah.
Wait, let me finish pissing, man.
Yeah, it should be called Big Purse. Honestly, he's still earning his stripes at Paramount. He can be woken up.
Wake up, yeah.
Anyway, guys, we are suffering, and I need to take a nap. I'm definitely after I get a drink, I'm going to take the biggest of naps. I'm closing my curtains, everything, laying down.
Also, I've got his charger.
Oh fuck, Taco, really?
Excellent, Big Purse.
Oh, he's up.
Are you up, my boy?
He can't. Time flies, how guys? Time doesn't fly when you literally are fighting for your life and you just need a drink. Like,
what time are you coming to breakfast?
Come to breakfast now and bring the tequila, man. Please.
The boys are suffering, though.
I love how all your tattoos suit you. Thank you. I try. You know?
No, we done it.
I don't try, I succeed.
Something for the listener.
We have babalas. Not even babalas, actually. I'm just fucking tired, guys. Yo.
The thing is that you can't carry an entire bottle. That doesn't look right.
He can carry it. He must put it in under his jacket or something.
And then we put it on the floor when we get you. We're sitting by the corner, so it's very concealed.
I just opened the drink alone, I understand. Dude,
yeah.
When they told me I was working at Durban July, do you think I was excited? I literally went hard.
I'll see you soon then.
There's nothing fun about this, guys. Even if you're here just to... Maybe if you're here to groove and not work, it's fun. But there's nothing fun about this.
Everything is shit.
Absolutely nothing.
You can... She's like, no way, I wasn't getting a bag.
Okay.
You're not wrong.
Well, let me end the live there, guys. Sorry.
You?
Those files are hard.
Yeah. Okay. Love you. Bye.
I asked my flight
You're gonna have it with cranberry juice. Nick, Stacy. All of the bitches trying, girl. I mean, everything time. And I'm bad like a Bobby. My dog says. Since I'm pulling the cat, like.
Also, I realized, like,
Let's be a couple, Tato.
this thing of, like, shit, bleaching my brows only works for one type of me, right? So now, like, oh, shit, I look like I'm not fucking unvisual.
I love it.
And now, like, look at my face and, like, oh, shit. No, I can't try. No, when the guy told me I was fine, the bleach. So I waited a day thinking that I was going to be fine. And when I bleached, the cut was still fresh, so it cut into my
skin.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you okay? Thank you, guys. Tato, let's have a child for the sake of having a child.
No, I've actually been. Do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it.
Do you want? Yeah. So,
Do you want a boy or a girl?
When your mom was here, when your mom, actually, I don't know how much.
Don't put too much. Don't put too much.
I haven't started.
They still hate
That was
it.
a cute little.
The bar is still not open. The bar is not open. Guys, you know, are we rocking today or are we chilling? Dog, I want to read final about
We're not rocking.
We're fucking rocking.
Rock one
Honestly,
day.
bring the condoms. I'm kidding.
I can
I had the weirdest dream. Why are you even mentioning that? I had the weirdest dream that I was on a period and everyone found out that I was asking for condoms. So everyone was like, oh, so you're gonna have 6 months on period? And I was like, yeah, why not? And it was at a group table of my friends.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone was giving me a hard time, like, let's you fucking slut going over me. And I was like, what?
What are you doing?
Okay, can we speak about the fact that, guys, let's not normalize period sex, man.
It's
I don't know much
it's fine.
about period
It's
sex.
not, no, it's
It's the
unacceptable. Wait, why can't you wait 7 days?
Because that is when
My
I'm...
period is 7 days long and I wait.
When you're like ovulating, what's not during the period, that's actually like I'm
That's
the
when you're
horniest.
supposed
I'm
to like,
so horny,
yeah, because the
crazy.
body says take it.
Literally, I'm like, let's go. Come, okay, you made it too small now.
Because I don't know how far.
Yeah, mine is also not strong.
You did that.
Guys, so I think we need to turn up today. Lady and I have been saving ourselves for God knows
We've
what.
been working.
Tato,
Saving for what? We've been
Tato
working.
turned up in another way.
Oh yeah, I got
So
turned
you've not
up.
saved
nigga.
yourself. You have not saved yourself. Lady and I have been saving ourselves for this very
Because we were
moment.
also scared
That
we
we
were
was
scared
gonna
we were
burn
gonna
out.
suffer. Yeah, we were scared we were gonna suffer.
Yeah, and I don't like the way I am when I'm too hungover.
Yeah.
So today is gonna be the day that we turn up, and I think I must just commit to it. Honestly, if we just commit to being turned today, I mean, there's no one to impress. We're in
No,
Durban
legit,
after
yeah.
all.
It's the last
Okay.
day. It's also the last day.
It is also the last day.
So we really
So,
can't
yeah.
rock.
But guys, our flight tomorrow is early, eh?
No, it's not. It's not like 12.
It's
Yeah.
at 10:30.
Yours maybe? Oh, they hate you. Sorry.
No, let me check. 'Cause
What? My
And I'm bad at the bar.
is a fucking...
You took my filter, Tato.
Hey?
Are you not going to Durban July?
Nigga.
nigga, what?
What did you mean?
Like, I mean, come now. Like,
What does that even mean?
what does that even mean? There's no one to impress in Durban after all. Yeah, I mean, honestly, who would we be impressing in Dubai then? And I don't care if everyone from Joburg came here. Once you come to Durban, you're not anyone worth impressing.
Yes.
Sorry.
100%.
Like, I hate this place a lot.
No, Tato, I think you're wrong here.
We are flying at 10:30, all of us.
We're Team B. We fly at. Wait. Yeah, Tato, Shamiso, Naleli, and Khoto, and Zetu are all flying at the same time. And we arrive at 12:40 p.m. And it says driver picks up crew at OR Tambo at 12:40.
I'm honestly sick to my stomach.
I need a Tasha's, come Percy. I need a Tasha's strawberry daiquiri.
Oh, my favorite.
The only one
The,
that matters.
the
And
original.
Doppio Zero.
Doppio.
Remember that time the reason we started liking strawberry daiquiris is when I came to your place with the takeaway one. It was from Doppio.
Really?
Yes. I'm bad like the Barbie.
Guys, you know, I'm actually...
Why my hometown catching strays? Why is Durban your hometown?
I definitely need that.
Yeah.
Are we gonna nap? Oh, guys, I thought when I said we committed to turning up, I meant that I'm gonna skip my nap. But it's
No, Shamiso, we should turn up when we
Crazy.
turn up. What do you
Wait,
mean?
no.
Like,
you guys are pussies.
Like, have this drink. Go
yes,
upstairs.
go nap and then like wake me up.
No.
No, because we're not gonna make it if we start now. We're absolutely not gonna make it. Yeah. That's it.
Yo, we
We're
must go
shooting
speak to our
a fucking-
closies.
Fucking, what are you shooting some links for people?
If I go to the ocean and I don't say that I'm there, you never know.
See your awards, red carpets, you don't do this and that. You know, Percy, I just work here, dog. Because I was still a lot of questions.
Tato was so worried when he suggested skipping the nap. Honestly, guys, when I said, because I told Tato that I need to nap. So when we decided
I
we're gonna
said we're
turn
gonna
up and we
nap.
said we're committed, I thought it meant like fuck the nap.
Shamiso, we can't fuck the nap, dog.
I could say fuck the nap if I do a Jaeger bomb now.
No, my thing is, Shamiso, also, I'm like 30 years old, so like, the body is...
Are you
fighting.
21 or are you 30? Because you're a fucking liar. Honestly.
I'm
no
30
one
when
knows
I'm old.
Tato's real age, by the
Percy, you
way.
got a phone on the live, say hi.
Is that Percy? Ask Percy if they are shooting at Magits today. Oh, as Majitas.
I knew you were getting that wrong in my head. I was like, when she started with the mat, I was like,
as Magit. Tattoo looks like Will Smith. Like Will Smith's child. Wow. Oh, you shooting today? No.
I am.
No, you're not.
I'm not shooting them for releases.
Oh, they are releasing, guys.
Stay
Honestly.
tuned YouTube every Sunday as Majita Sundays. Let's go.
Oh, it's every Sunday.
Sundays are for my Gita.
Wake it
Oh, it's
up.
every Sunday.
Yeah.
Wow,
You're not
Percy.
subscribed. You should know this.
No, I'm not a big YouTube girl.
I mean, as
I'm not a big
Percy's
YouTube
wife,
girl.
you should know this.
As Percy's woman.
This is my biggest video.
Oh, I think you guys hate each other. That's the guy.
Tato's been 23 for 5 years.
Who said that?
The
Who
real
the fuck is that?
treasure, Mona
I
Lisa.
didn't see that far.
They know your business.
Oh my god.
They know that you
Why
lie.
is my tea getting spilled?
Because what is Tato's real age,
It
guys?
doesn't matter. I'm alive.
No, actually, before here, where's your ID?
I went live after yesterday's conversation with the people that you were referencing. I said, you're
Tato, are
OG.
you in your 30s? What do you mean? Are you secretly in your
I'm not in my 30s.
Okay.
What the hell? Okay, wait, guys, how old do I look?
You
Tato
know, yeah,
Tato
obviously.
knows too much.
I
You
know,
know
I
too
know,
much.
I
You know too much millennial shit. No ways.
I'm a late millennial.
Honestly,
Like,
guys.
they call him Percy as fuck.
Are you willing to sell your YouTube channel? No.
Why would he do that?
No, you can't sell it if it was for millions.
Yeah, actually, if it was.
Every business, the whole point of
No,
business.
someone's asking if I can sell mine because I'm not active.
Oh, your
Oh,
channel. Yeah,
yours.
that's my
Oh,
channel.
Because I had like 15k subscribers before I even dropped my first video. I still have like 20k subscribers and I haven't posted in 3 years.
What's the tea with that? Are you a YouTuber or what? What's your tea?
At some point I was a YouTuber and my videos are dope, guys.
Were
They
you doing
entertaining.
YouTubes with like the fucking girlies? 'Cause you
I
know
was
they-
vlogging, I did story times, I did, yeah.
Listen, hi guys. Welcome
But
back.
obviously, naturally, I'm hilarious.
You're very
The
funny.
banter is
You're
up there.
very funny.
The beauty is up there.
Somebody says I look 28.
Seriously,
and
I've made
it's
you laugh
embarrassing.
numerous times.
You've been laughing because you want to get in your pants.
Actually, makes sense. I get that. Oh, Percy said guns. Hey, gunman.
Okay, Tato, how old are you though?
I am as old as I feel.
Tato, you weird about this thing. Hey, it's honestly,
No,
I've
I'm
never-
such an age denialist. I promise you, like,
This is like when you asked
know
the
you.
truth. This is like when you asked the truth.
like,
Yes.
No, she's like, yeah,
I
wouldn't
do have a
really.
girlfriend,
Like,
but,
so wait, do you like girls? No, but I wouldn't say it like that.
but what
I'm
do you
like,
identify
what?
as her? So you're a lesbian?
No.
That's when I knew she was young.
Okay.
I even asked
Anyway,
her,
guys, I love you.
How old are
Here
you?
we go.
That was the immediate telltale sign. I was like, that's a Gen Z as fuck thing to say.